Beginner machine applique is a class for beginners. So if you want to learn how to do it right from the start, this is the class for you. You can also join us if you want a refresher. We'll learn how to do a satin stitch, and we'll even talk about the buttonhole stitch in case you're interested. Your machine needs to have a zigzag stitch. It needs to have adjustments for stitch width and stitch length. And if it has those three things, you're all set. In the first class, I'll show you how to prep your fusible webbing and get your pieces ready for applique. In the second class, we'll set up machines and you'll learn how to do the basic stitches and straight lines, curves, points, corners, and more. In the third class, you can easily choose something of your own that you have at home and want to get appliqued with a little bit of help, or you can use my pattern and make this little pouch. The choice is yours.